Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Learning Stethoscope. Today we're zooming in on the incredible engine that powers your entire body, your heart. In this lesson, we'll trace the exact path that blood takes through the heart, from the moment it returns from the body to the moment it's pumped back out, rich in oxygen and ready to fuel your cells. So, let's get started. The heart has four chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. And it also has four valves: the tricuspid valve, connecting the right atrium and ventricle, the mitral valve, connecting the left atrium and ventricle, the pulmonary valve, that continues through the pulmonary artery, and the aortic valve, that continues through the aorta. The chambers and valves of the heart work together like clockwork, taking in blood and pushing it forward. So your entire body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to keep going. Deoxygenated blood returning from the body. This oxygen-poor blood flows back toward the heart through two large veins: the superior vena cava, which collects blood from the head, upper limbs, and upper chest, and the inferior vena cava, which drains blood from the lower parts of the body, including the abdomen, pelvis, and lower limbs. Both these veins empty into the right atrium, where the blood temporarily pools. Then, the right atrium contracts, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Afterward, the tricuspid valve closes, and when the right ventricle contracts, it sends blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs for gas exchange. In the lungs, blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. Now we have oxygen-rich blood, ready to power the body. This oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins, which empty into the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, the mitral valve opens, allowing blood to flow into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber in the heart. Afterwards, when the left ventricle contracts, the mitral valve closes and the aortic valve opens, pushing blood into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From there, the oxygenated blood travels through the body's systemic circulation, delivering oxygen to every tissue, organ, and cell. Let's make a quick recap. Deoxygenated blood returns from the body and enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. When the right atrium contracts, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Upon contraction of the right ventricle, blood is pushed through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs for oxygenation. Oxygen-rich blood returns from the lungs through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, blood passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The powerful left ventricle then contracts, forcing blood through the aortic valve into the aorta. From the aorta, oxygenated blood is distributed to the entire body via systemic circulation. And there you have it. That's the complete path of blood through the heart. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe. See you in the next video.